Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to remove background from water splash quickly in Photopea. Let's begin. First of all, open your image with white background or black background. Use for blend mode or the remove directly background. Go to select tab, color range and select the black color or white color. Then click OK. Go to select tab, invert selection. Then create a layer mask. Right click, convert to smart object. Again right click, rasterize and create a new layer or use image or anything. Or use image. Lightness. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.